Adamson. Kanina minention ko si Angela Benting, she's staying on with the Spiders of UST. Plus, Adamson was able to use the blockers of UST to put up some really quite a number of points in that third set.
But the very significant factor, unforced errors, 7 ang UST, dalawa lang sa Adamson.
Yes.
And that's what we talked about
Yun naman
since the beginning.
diba?
No?
Yung
Kung malilimit
errors.
ng Adamson yung unforced errors sila, they really stand a chance of winning this match, not just a set, this match against UST.
And remember, they had 10 errors on the first and the second set. So ngayon, 2, ang laki ng
Dalawa lang.
diferensya. And look at the result.
Ang laki din ng panalo nila, no?
Yes.
25-17. It's the
Correct.
biggest margin so far in the entire match because set number 1, dalawa lang ang lamang ng UST nang nanalo sila. Set number 2, 25-18.
18.
So if Adamson really control their errors, they really stand a chance of winning the match and sending this into another match on Wednesday. But right now, a good start for UST, set number 4, 2-0.
The third set, USD really so lax with their defense. Kulang eh, kulang yung steps nila. Nakikita mo, tamad on their floor defense.
Makulangan with a service error, a rare one because she is one of the most reliable servers in the tournament. Ortiz. Pineda plays setter. Angela Benting, the off-speed hit. Pao Soriano again finding that corner. Yung sinabihan na sila ang Tigers ni Coach Shaq,
Yes.
ano? Yung set number 3.
Nagdi-delay ng konting si Pao Soriano to penetrate the blockers of UST. And dun sa, ayun sa last play na yun, makita mo yung blockers ng UST hindi magkakadikit, magkakahiwalay. That's why si Pao Soriano took that space.
Off speed from Angela Benting. And Adamson is up by 1, 3-2.
You know, now Adamson being cerebral in this fourth set, trying to look for ways to score the points.
Much
And,
less predictable, ano?
Yes. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. If, you know, momentum swings
It's a check
to
ball.
Adamson.
For Bex Pineda.
Ito rin yung team na palaban eh.
And Pineda starting to contribute here in set number 4. This is going to be a concern for UST because earlier binabantayan lang nila si Angela Benting, Pao Soriano, and every now and then si Zapanta and Kinlog. But if Pineda starts to get it going, it's going to be a long afternoon for UST. Blocked there. Blocked again is UST. Caballejo tips it over this time. Adamson on the attack. Benting.
Angela Benting closed out to that last play. Pero ang hirap for UST to take a point. As you can see in this fourth set.
Ortiz.
Mukhang iba yung strategy ng Adamson.
Soriano is blocked.
Aysa with the tip. Pineda.
Limakulangan, Caballejo blocked but goes out of bounds off si Pineda.
Look at this open hit by Caballejo. Now back the open spot. Started off as a middle hitter for Coach Shaq this afternoon.
4-all, set number 4.
Judy Caballejo.
Power gets that point. Alam mo, minsan hindi naman talaga kailangan full power. If you see a spot or an area, pwede mo gawin off-speed lang. Kaya na yan eh, just to take the point. And yung napipace mo rin yung sarili mo. Nakakapagod rin yan
course.
when you're always going for the attack.
Angela Benting.
Check ball from Angela Benting, 5-all, set number 4. Poor reception. By UST.
Although that was saved.
Nice dig by Dusaran. Caballejo firing 2-ball point. Adamson, they're up by 1, 6-5.
Sending it to the bleachers. No spin at all.
Serving Beb Pineda.
A nice serve by
That's a nice.
Pineda. Results to a point for the Lady Falcons.
2-point lead coming off that service ace by Sheila Pineda.
They were able to contain her kanina. Now, because of that momentum swing going Adamson's way, nabuhayan pa.
Maizo off the block. Vasquez attempting the dig pero too long. As Maizo so powerful using the blockers to bounce it off.
But credit the effort of Vasquez. Really going for it.
Rudy Cavallejo.
USD still trailing by 1, 6 serving 7.
And that goes wide for Angela Benting. Espiritu now inside for USD.
Soriano. Always able
First
to handle a double block. Adamson up by 1, 8-7 in set number 4.